Oh, babe!
Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie, YBT, Tech Away, Tech Everything, and today is a very exciting day to me because I finally got my Razer wireless headphone, and this is the Razer Barracuda X wireless headphone. This is my second Razer product. Today is just gonna be unboxing a hands-on video. More videos about this coming soon. I'm gonna review it, gonna teach you how to register your Razer product. Yeah, so subscribe if you don't want to miss out this kind of content. More tech content will coming soon. Yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing procedure. Okay, as you can see, the front side, the box, Razer Barracuda X wireless multi-platform gaming and mobile headset. Because you can use this with your Android phone, your Switch, PlayStation, and PC, of course. So you can use in 4 different platforms. Detachable microphone, 250 grams of ergonomic design, 40mm the Triforce driver, and on headset controls. 250 grams is pretty light. It's not the lightest headset ever, but it's way lighter than my previous wired headphone, which is the Fantech. Yeah, I still haven't reviewed that one, and maybe in the future. Okay, on the right side, Razer logo, signature Razer box. You're gonna see some green stuff, and I really like this little holder for you to hold it, and also easier for the seller to hang it in their store. I'm gonna test it out with my iPhone because I bought an adapter, which is this little thing, Lightning to Usbc adapter for audio. So later I will test it out, see whether I can use this or not. On the left hand side, you will see this basically the same thing. All the features that you get out of this Barracuda X, I'm not gonna repeat. The only thing they didn't include in the front, which is this 20 hours battery life with USB-C charging. Yeah, that's a plus point. Not using the micro USB, I hate that thing. USB-C is the future. Okay, on the back, it shows you more detail in terms of the driver, the Triforce 40mm driver, and also, like I said just now, multi-platform connectivity with the USB-C wireless adapter. You can connect with these 4 different platforms, and it comes with this extension cable. Later I will show you guys. So this is the tab for you to unbox. I like the changes because if you guys watch my Data Essential, there's no tab for you to like open it easily. This one, they give you a tab. Good thing. So you just peel this off. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see clearly. Okay, I see the brown box. Let me grab it out. I want to keep this box, although it's no longer perfect. Shipping problem. Some dents on the outside box. And why? Most importantly, what's in the inside. Okay, so you can see the material that they use is pretty cheap. Because in Razer product line, if you see an X, that means it's an entry-level product. Yeah, so if you have a lot of Razer product, then you will know those premium ones, they won't pack it with this kind of material. Okay, what is this? It's the instruction guide. Well, pretty big in multiple languages. I'm not gonna read it because it's pretty easy to use it. Okay, you guys can pause it if you want to read it. Pretty big, of course. How can we forget about the sticker? Just like Apple product got Apple sticker, Razer product got their own Razer logo sticker. Pretty cool. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna unbox this later. Let's see what else inside the box. Okay, so you got this foam to protect the headphone. Okay, oh, so we got multiple packages. Okay, what is this? Check it out. Oh, okay. So this is the microphone and this is the windshield. Be good. You can take it out if you don't want to use it, or just put it in. Sorry about the background noise. Airplane. Shh. Shut up. Okay. This side. What else? What is this? Okay, so this is the adapter, wireless adapter, receiver thing. This is the extension cable for that. Because my PC, the front panel, it doesn't has any USB-C ports, so this will come in handy for me. Although my back of the motherboard got USB-C, but definitely cover one of your port. So if you're using laptop also, it will cover the another port. It's better for you to use this to give a clearance, yeah, so it won't block other ports that you're using. Okay, yep, signature green, Razer green for the cable. Yeah, nothing special. You just plug this in and you plug it to your PC. You can start using the headphone. Okay, put that aside. Ooh. Okay. Oh, this is the charging cable for sure. Oh, it's green inside the USB-C. Nice. Okay, USB-C to USB Type A. Okay. So it's not USB-C to USB-C, but never mind. This one is for charging. Okay, and last but not least will be the 3.5mm headphone jack. You can use this wireless or with wire. So you have both options to do so. Yeah, I will definitely use it wireless. Okay. Ooh, that sound. I love it. Okay, check it out. Wow. Okay. Let's see. It's pretty light. Wow. This is so light and kind of small, but I'm gonna try it out first. It's all plastic except the head adjust band here. This is aluminum, sure, and you get some padding on top. It's not PU leather. Yeah, I don't like PU leather because the PU leather will fall off. This one, it won't. Okay. Pretty comfy cushion. Yeah, I like how Razer is going for the like a minimalist design. Yeah, it's not something like, oh, hey, look at me, I'm a gaming headphone. You can use this in a more serious situation, like a office meeting, conference call. Very subtle, very professional, I would say. Versatile. Yeah, I like the design. No more green, obnoxious Razer logo. I like the logo, but not green, like bright one. Yeah, I like this one. I also don't mind with some RGB lights, but you don't get RGB lights for this one. Okay, all the on-screen, on-headset controls, volume rocker, mute switch button. Okay, with some little green accent. 3.5mm headphone jack, the LED light, status light, USB-C charging port, and this for the microphone. Yeah, you just plug in. Okay, let me wear it first. Switch it. Let me wear it. Okay, it's pretty comfortable. I have a pretty large head, you can say. Yeah, feel pretty comfy. The cushion on top is sufficient enough. Remember that I told you guys I got this USB-C to Lightning audio adapter because I want to use my Barracuda X with my iPhone, right? So let me plug in and then take the adapter, put inside, play some music. Someday by Tatsuro Yamashita. Okay. Oh, baby! And it works, man. But with one caveat, you cannot adjust the volume using your iPhone built-in control, the volume control. You have to adjust it with the headset. Yeah, the volume rocker roll here. Yeah. And you also cannot see the battery life of the Razer Barracuda on your iPhone. I guess you just have to try to guess how many percent left. But anyways, it works. And it works perfectly. I don't hear any delay or cut off. So that's about it, guys. This is just an unboxing and hands-on experience video. I'm not gonna bore you some more. In-depth review will coming soon. Hopefully I would make it as soon as possible. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and click click the bell icon, share this video to your friends and family, comment down in the comment section below, donate if you can to support the channel, or just watch all my videos. As always, I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.